Come test drive the 2012 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power windows with safety reverse, stability control, daytime running lights, regenerative braking system, braking assist, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.